Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the small rituals that ground us and nurture us. One of those overlooked rituals is skincare, which might seem like just a physical routine, but it's so much more. Today, we're diving into how a skincare routine is not just about beauty, but a meaningful act of self-care. We'll explore how skincare can become a moment of mindfulness, help build confidence, act as a personal self-love ritual, provide stress relief through sensory experiences, empower you by taking control of your life, and strengthen your relationship with yourself. So, stick around as we unfold the powerful emotional and mental health benefits of skincare. Let's get started! Our first topic is about turning your skincare routine into a moment of mindfulness. Now, you might be wondering how applying lotions and potions can lead to mindfulness. Well, it's all about focusing on the textures, scents, and sensations of your skincare products. When you take the time to really notice how the product feels on your skin, the scent it carries, and the sensation it provides, you're grounding yourself in the present moment. This kind of mindfulness can significantly reduce stress by bringing your awareness to the here and now. Creating a calming ritual is another beautiful benefit. Imagine starting or ending your day with a peaceful skincare routine, one that you look forward to. It's not just about the results on your skin, it's about the comforting, repetitive actions that help you relax. For instance, massaging a nourishing oil into your skin can feel like a mini meditation session. As you work the oil into your skin, you're not just hydrating your face, but also giving yourself a moment to unwind after a hectic day. Using skincare as a tool for mindfulness allows you to feel more connected to your body and its needs. It's like telling yourself that this time is just for you, to care for and to listen to your body. Our next topic focuses on how a consistent skincare routine can be a wonderful way to boost confidence. When you stick to a routine and start seeing visible improvements in your complexion, it not only brightens your skin, but also uplifts your spirit. Knowing that you're putting effort into caring for yourself can speak volumes about your self-worth. Emotionally, this consistency reinforces the powerful idea that you are worth the time and care. It's a reminder that amidst all the chaos, you prioritize yourself enough to be consistent. This can be a profound boost to your overall sense of self-worth and value. There's also a significant sense of accomplishment that comes with following a routine. Whether it's a simple 3-step process or a more elaborate skincare ritual, sticking to it each day gives you a sense of routine and structure. This consistency can help anchor your day, providing stability and something to look forward to. And let's not forget the practical benefits. Feeling prepared to face the world with glowing, healthy skin can make a world of difference. It's like putting your best face forward, literally. Your skin reflects the time and effort you've invested in it, and that confidence can ripple out into other areas of your life. In essence, a consistent skincare routine is far more than a beauty practice. It's a daily affirmation that you are deserving of care and attention, and that consistency nurtures not just your skin, but your soul as well. Now, let's talk about skincare as a personal ritual of self-love. This is one of my favorite reasons to indulge in a skincare routine because it's about more than just caring for your skin. It's about caring for your whole self. Taking time for your skincare is an act of self-love. It's a way to tell yourself, I deserve care and attention. This ritual is particularly meaningful during busy or stressful times, when self-care often gets pushed to the back burner. You might wonder how to make your skincare routine feel more special. One way to enhance this ritual is to light a candle or play soothing music while you apply your products. Creating a calming and pleasant environment can make your skincare routine feel like an experience rather than just a chore. Another tip is to choose products with scents that uplift your mood. For example, you could use lavender-scented products for relaxation or citrus-scented products for a bit of an energy boost. The right fragrance can turn a simple routine into a delightful ritual that you actually look forward to. Finally, use this time to set intentions or reflect on your day. Treat your skincare routine as a moment to connect with yourself. Maybe you can think of one thing you're grateful for or set a positive intention for the next day. By doing this, you transform your skincare routine into a time for reflection and personal growth. With these small but meaningful additions, your skincare routine becomes a powerful act of self-love. It reminds you that you are worth the time and effort you put into caring for yourself, inside and out. Now let's take a look at how skincare can be a wonderful stress reliever through its sensory experiences. Skincare is not just about the products you use, it's about how those products make you feel. When you engage your senses, touch, smell, and even sight, during your skincare routine, you create an immersive, calming experience. Think about the act of gently massaging your face. The simple motion can be incredibly soothing. Not only does it help to relax your facial muscles, but the gentle pressure and repetitive action can also trigger your body's relaxation response. The scents in your skincare products can play a huge role in stress relief as well. Aromas have a direct pathway to the brain and can influence our mood almost instantly. Inhaling the calming aroma of essential oils like lavender or chamomile, while you cleanse or moisturize, can help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, making you feel more relaxed. There's also a profound connection between sensory experiences and better sleep. Performing your skincare routine as part of your nighttime ritual can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. The act of caring for your skin, coupled with the soothing scents, can promote a sense of calm that prepares you for a restful sleep. Additionally, engaging your senses during your skincare routine fosters a deeper mind-body connection. This means you become more in tune with how your body feels, how your skin responds to different products, and what it needs to stay healthy. It's a beautiful way to practice mindfulness, focusing solely on the sensations and the present moment. In short, incorporating sensory experiences into your skincare routine can be a potent way to relieve stress. The gentle massages, calming aromas, and overall mindful approach can turn any routine into a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Life can get overwhelming at times, but one thing you can take charge of is your skincare routine. It's a small yet significant way to gain a sense of control over your well-being. Establishing a skincare routine gives you a feeling of stability and balance. When everything around you seems chaotic, having a set routine to turn to can provide a much-needed anchor. It's a reminder that amidst all the turbulence, you have a reliable ritual that nurtures you. In those hectic moments, taking the time to care for your skin is a powerful act of self-nurturing. It's a declaration that you have the power to prioritize your well-being. Sticking to your routine says, no matter how crazy things get, I won't neglect myself. And those small victories mean a lot. When you successfully follow your routine, even on the busiest of days, it brings a sense of accomplishment. Celebrating these small wins can have a positive impact on your overall mood, reinforcing the idea that you're capable of caring for yourself no matter what comes your way. So the next time life gets a bit too much, remember that your skincare routine is your way of taking control. It's your personal, empowering act in the midst of life's chaos. Strengthening your relationship with yourself is a profoundly important and often overlooked aspect of skincare. Every time you take the time to care for your skin, you're reinforcing your self-worth. It's like sending a signal to yourself that you are deserving of care and attention. The emotional benefits of this are immense. For one, it can significantly improve your self-esteem. When you prioritize your needs, no matter how small they may seem, you're effectively telling yourself that you matter. And that's such a powerful message. Additionally, there's a sense of gratitude that often accompanies a skincare routine. As you care for your skin, you can cultivate a deeper appreciation for your body and all it does for you. It's an opportunity to reflect on how amazing your body is and how it supports you every single day. Moreover, focusing on skincare can help you become more aware of your unique beauty. It's about celebrating what makes you, you. When you take the time to understand the needs of your skin and how to best care for it, you're also learning to celebrate and highlight your unique features. In essence, skincare is not just about the products you use, but about the relationship you build with yourself through the process. It's a beautiful, ongoing conversation with yourself that reinforces your worth, fosters gratitude, and enhances your awareness of your unique beauty. So, every moment you spend on your skincare routine is a step toward a stronger, more loving relationship with yourself. Now, let's delve into making skincare your self-care ritual, the final section in today's podcast. The beauty of a skincare routine lies not in its complexity, but in the intention behind it. Whether it's a quick 5-minute process or a more elaborate spa-like session, what truly matters is the purpose it serves in your life. Your skincare routine can significantly contribute to your overall well-being, catering to your mind, body, and spirit. When you take those moments for yourself, you're not just tending to your skin, but also nurturing your entire being. It's a holistic practice that ties your physical appearance with your emotional and mental state. I'd love to invite you to dig deeper into self-care and natural skincare. If you're interested in learning more about crafting all-natural skincare products and integrating faith into your daily routine through journaling, prayer, and reflection, I invite you to check out my program. You'll find all the details in the show notes. And I want to hear from you. What does your skincare routine mean to you? How do you make your skincare practice special? Share your thoughts and personal routines with me. I'd love to hear your experiences and any tips you might have for making skincare a meaningful ritual in everyday life. As we wrap up today's episode, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed. We started by highlighting how turning your skincare routine into a moment of mindfulness can help ground you in the present and reduce stress. We then explored how consistency in your skincare routine not only improves your complexion, but also boosts your confidence and reinforces self-worth. Next, we dove into the concept of skincare as a personal ritual of self-love, suggesting ways to make your routine more special through candles, music, and uplifting scents. Following this, we examined the sensory pleasures of skincare and how engaging your senses can relieve stress and foster a deeper connection between your mind and body. We also talked about how maintaining a skincare routine can empower you by providing a sense of control amidst life's chaos. Lastly, we emphasized the importance of skincare in strengthening your relationship with yourself, improving self-esteem, fostering gratitude, and celebrating your unique beauty. Remember, the links to learn more about my self-care program and other details mentioned in today's episode are available in the show notes. For those interested in natural skincare, journaling, and integrating faith into daily life, my program might be just what you're looking for. Thank you for joining me, Carrie Scharf, on Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Take care, nurture your skin, and remember, you are worth every bit of time and effort you put into your self-care. Until next time, keep thriving and glowing.